Good morning, students. Welcome back to Alchemy online class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, in last class, we all have discussed our chapter number 1. So, we will do the quick recap and then after we will go further for our chapter. So, let's begin. So, students, in last class, we all have learned about introduction our computer. So, we are going further and first of all, we will do the recap of the last class. In last class, we all have learned about importance of computers. What do you think? What are the importance? Yes, very good. That means fast and accurate. Computers are fast and accurate. They can do a very fast, big calculation in our system. So today we will go further and learn about more for computers. So students, today we will learn about computer versus human. Means what computer do and what our human beings are doing. So what you have to do, first of all, you all have to think, okay, what computer are doing and what our men and women, all human beings are doing. Then after we will go further. So students, I have prepared one table. That means what can a computer do and what can human do. So first of all, we will see computer follows the command. Means whenever we are doing and we are giving command to the computer, that only computer are doing. Humans can take decision. Means we only are giving the decisions that we can do this thing, that are called decisions. Computer work very fast. You all know computer works very fast. In first standard also we have done computer practicals in our lab. Humans get tired, means we all are getting tired to do so much work. Then after, computer runs on electricity. Computer always run on electricity. Man does not need electricity for doing work. If we all are doing work, we don't need electricity all the time. Computer can store lot of information, means computer can store our data. Example, we can store our music, games, videos. Men may forget things, means we can forget things. Example, you all are forgetting the homework in school, right? Like that, men may forget the things. So students, we will read the chapter from our textbook. So you all have to read along with me. Topic is computer versus men. Computers are one of the greatest wonder by men. It is wonderful machine, but it cannot work on its own. Let us see how a computer is different from a man. Here we are going to see the difference between the man and computer. A computer can work very fast. It can perform a large number of calculation in seconds. Man cannot work as fast as computer. A computer does not get tired. It can keep working for long hours. Man gets tired if he work for a long hours. A computer can store lots of information in its memory. Man may forget things. A computer does not take mistakes. It gives correct result. Man can make mistakes. A computer does not get bored of doing the same work many times. Man gets bored if he does the same work many times. Here computer and man are talking. Here man are telling, I can take decision. Computer are saying, I don't get tired. A computer cannot think and does not have any feeling. Man can think and has a feeling. Feeling means if we are happy, if we are sad, if we are angry, these all are different types of feeling. A computer cannot take decision. It works according to the instructions given by man. Man can take decision. A computer runs on electricity. Man does not need electricity for doing the work. The highlights of edges of computer over human beings means how computer are very fast rather than men. Means they are doing work very fast. They can perform number of calculation. They get never tired. They stores lots of information. and they never make mistakes. So we are going to do this computer versus men. You all have to read it properly, okay? So students, you have to do tick the correct option. Here A, B, C, D, E. 5 questions are there and computer and human. You have to tick which question you have chosen a correct option. First, who does not get tired? Second, who can make our decisions? Third, who does not get bored of doing the same work many times? Fourth, who runs on electricity? Fifth, who has the power to think? So you all have to do this in your rough notebook. Students, one question I am giving you, you have to write the answer in your rough notebook. List 2 ways in which computers have advantage over humans. You have to write 2 advantage of computers. Understood? So students, you have to write the answer computer or human in front of the below statements. First, it has a filling. So whatever the answer you choose, computer or humans, you have to write. Second, it work with the help of a person. It can laugh. It takes more time to calculate. See the questions properly and do it in your rough notebook.
Humans and computers. What's within? Let's learn to explain the differences between computers and humans. Describe the accuracy and speed of a computer. Describe how the computer has a large memory. Describe how the computer is a tireless machine. Describe how the computer always gets its instructions from humans. Getting started. People are so smart. Look at Alice. She's good at her studies. She draws so well. She sings and dances and knows so many games. She is the fastest runner I know. But when I told her that I have never seen anyone smarter and quicker than her, she shook her head and pointed at the computer. She said that even though humans are very intelligent and can do so many things, computers are actually very intelligent too and can do a lot more things faster than humans. This I have to see. Computer, the small wonder. One day, father was trying to calculate how much money he had spent, but the answer he got was not matching the amount of money he had left. He then went to the computer, keyed in all the numbers, and hey, the computer gave him the answer immediately, with no mistakes. Can you remember the 20 things your mother asked you to buy 10 days ago? Well, the computer remembers everything. Her mother saves her recipes on the computer. Her brother saves pictures of his football heroes, and her father saves his office work. And the computer remembers and keeps all this information stored safely. A tireless machine. Every night as I curl up in my bed, I see Alice sleeping in hers. After a long day at school, playing in the park and doing all her homework, she needs the rest. But that computer of hers never seems to need a break. It can go on and on. The obedient machine. There is one main difference between humans and computers. Humans can think on their own, while computers cannot. Let me explain. The other day, Alice had to add 5 and 3, but by mistake, she pressed the minus key. Guess what happened? Yes, the computer subtracted 3 from 5 and gave the answer as 2. So, though computers are much faster and more accurate than humans, they are not as intelligent because they just follow the instructions given by humans. Summary. We learned that computers are faster than humans in calculations. Computers are more accurate than humans and never make mistakes. Computers have a larger memory than humans. Computers never get tired. Humans think on their own, while computers cannot.
So students, I hope you all have enjoyed the video. That is computer versus men. So I am giving you one homework to find out the pictures of as many computers from your home, and you have to bring it in your next class. I will ask you all. So I hope you understood the concept which I have taught you today. So for other subject, you all have downloaded MyPedia integrated learning app. So you can refer computer subject as well. Thank you. Bye students. Be safe. Stay home.